Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update teamwork.com client portal tasks for smoother handoffs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your teamwork.com client portal and log into your account. Navigate to the tasks section from the main dashboard. Select the project for which you want to update tasks. Review the current tasks listed in the project. Identify any tasks that need updates or modifications. Click on the task you wish to edit. In the Task Details window, update the task name if necessary. Adjust the due date to align with project timelines. Add or update the task description to provide clearer instructions. Assign the task to the appropriate team member, ensuring they have the necessary context. Set priority levels to indicate urgency and importance. Attach any relevant files or documents to the task for reference. Utilize tags or labels to categorize tasks for better organization. Ensure all team members have been notified of the updates. Save changes made to the task. Repeat these steps for any additional tasks that require updates. After updating all tasks, review the entire project for overall coherence. Communicate with your team about the updated tasks during your next meeting. Encourage team members to check the portal regularly for any further updates. Consider using comments for ongoing discussions about specific tasks. Finalize the updates to ensure a smooth handoff to the next phase of the project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.